How many times have you told yourself, I'm going to start Amazon FBA, only to end up watching dozens of videos without ever taking action? That's exactly why more than 54,000 people have joined the Black Box community. Let me show you what it offers. And if you think it's the right fit for you, you'll find the join link in the first line of the description. The first thing that caught my attention was that Black Box isn't just a single course, it's a complete ecosystem. As soon as you join, you get access to step-by-step Amazon FBA training from scratch, retail arbitrage strategies, Walmart selling courses, inventory management tools, credit building lessons, and live community coaching sessions. That's exactly why the community has grown to more than 54,000 members and earned thousands of positive reviews. Take a look at this. It has a perfect 5-star rating from over 4,100 reviews. And what makes it even more impressive is that the reviews aren't just one-word comments like great or excellent. You'll find real members sharing how the community helped them, the quality of the support, and the results they've achieved. As for the pricing, there are two options. You can start with a monthly plan for $75 if you'd like to explore the community first and see if it's the right fit for you. If you're planning to learn and stay involved for the long term, there's also an annual membership for $799, which costs less than paying for the monthly plan over an entire year. Ultimately, the best option depends on your goals. In the end, Black Box is a solid choice if you're looking to learn inside a well-structured community instead of jumping between dozens of different sources. What stood out to me the most was the variety of the content, the large number of positive reviews, and the active community that's always there to support its members. If you'd like to explore the platform or join, you'll find the link in the first line of the description. And if you have any questions about